Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the BREO Fall Seasonal Box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the Fall 2025 BREO Box just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your subscription box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys have been following me, you know this box has changed just a little bit. They now offer the full version of the box, which they sent to me, and now they also have a light version, so you can choose which one is best for you. I always tell you guys this is more of like a household subscription. There's kind of something in there for everybody, not just geared towards men or women. It's like for both. So let's go ahead and dive in. Without further ado, let's see what is inside of the fall box. I'm so excited to see every year. They always go with the seasons as well. So let's see what the fall box brings. It does always come down in these boxes right here, which you can store them. They stack amazingly if you wanted to put stuff in them and stack them in the garage, or you can simply just recycle them. But this is the box, and you lift here and pull open. And it always says, you deserve this. And then you always get all of the products down inside of one of the duster bags. I always save these bags. So you always do have this card, and it'll have where you can rate your box and then where you can get more information about all of the contents that is in the box. So let's go ahead and scan the QR code so then we can get the pricing and get a little bit more information about the items as we go. So I see the first item shows a wet and dry vac. I don't know when it was, but several boxes ago, we got one of these, not the same brand, but it was similar in their box, and I absolutely love it. I use it all the time. Anytime something falls or spills, that's the first thing that we grab. It's so easy and convenient. It's rechargeable. I even take it out when I wash my car to help, clean my car and everything too. So I'm so glad to have now another one, because that other one gets put to use quite often. It says compact yet mighty. This wet and dry handheld vacuum cleans both crumbs and spills with ease. I'm not quite sure if my other one does wet, so that's really cool that this one will do wet as well. $69.99. And it says engineered with a patent pending one-way valve for sucking up liquids and a rechargeable battery, offering up to 30 minutes of runtime. Did we mention it comes ready with tools? Ideal for any scenario. Being tidy just got easier. So let's get it out and see what it looks like and see what it all comes with. So as soon as you open it up, all of the tools are pretty much right there on the top. And here's everything with the vacuum. I did put one of the settings on the hose because this is the one that goes into it. Let me show you. So this piece fits down in here, and then you can use it like this, or you can attach this to the end, and then you can attach this piece, and then if you wanted to attach this piece. So you have this long cord, so that's as long as it would go. So if you're going to be picking up any spills that is liquid, then you have to use this, and it does say to keep it at an angle so it doesn't spill out before you empty the liquid out of the vacuum, but it always says to use that if you are using a liquid. So there's the attachments. Here is the actual vacuum. It is completely charged. This is the charger. The charger lights up green once it's done. It actually lights up without it being in the thing. So then it shows you right there, it is fully charged. When you turn it on, So being honest, it's not the best suction. The other one that we got sucks way more, and I kind of like the other one a lot better because it sits upright on its own, where this one cannot. It has to just lay down. So that's a drawback. However, I do like that it is rechargeable. So if you do have a small mess, this will be able to help you out. To remove it, to clean it, you just turn this, pull this out. Here's the filter, and then you would just dump out the contents that is inside. Replace this, put this back on, lock it in place, and you're done. So there's the vacuum. And again, that values for $69.99. All right, so now let's go with the next item. It looks like it says a dual nozzle lighter and blower. My man is going to absolutely love this. It says click to cook dual nozzle barbecue lighter and blower. It's a cordless 2-in-1 flame / blower. That is so cool that it's cordless, so you recharge it, and it says that you have like the little flame and the nozzle right there. That is so neat. He is going to love this thing. That's why I'm saying it's like a household product. I obviously am not excited about a blower because I won't be using this, but I know he is absolutely going to love it. He's going to be excited. Refillable butane powered flame. I love that. Jet flame instantly lights the barbecue, lump, or wood charcoal. High output, battery powered, steady airflow enhances the combustion process. The ultimate tool to easily ignite. Charcoal, campfires, wood fireplaces, smokers, fire pits, and bonfires. Yes, he is going to love this. Where's my knife? This values for $70. And this is really, really lightweight as well. You do have a manual like this. And this is what the product looks like. So I wonder if this is the, oh, actually it's not rechargeable. You actually just put batteries in there. So that is cool. And it looks like there's a thing on the side that says 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I don't know if that's like how much the stuff is going to come out, but there is a 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there. And that is again how it looks. And you guys, my man is so excited about this. He went ahead and put the butane in there, and he put the batteries down in the bottoms. And then if you want to just use the blower, you press this button down that's right here. You press that down and then slide it forward. Now the blower is blowing. It blows pretty good too. Like, that's a good blower. And then to turn it off, you just slide it back down. Now for the butane part of it, I'm gonna turn this all the way up to number 4, just so you can see how much butane flame is going to come out on the number 4. For the butane part of it, you have the safety feature right here that you push forward, and then this one actually has like a butane symbol on the top, so you know this is the one for the fire. So I'm gonna hold you back here, push in that, and then push this at the same time. Do you see that flame? That flame is huge. And then if we want to go down, that is a number 1. So if you see that, that's a 1 compared to the 4. So if you wanted to keep this in the lock position so you don't have to just keep holding it, you turn it on and then you press this button here, and then it will lock it in that position. So then you have like hands free. But my man loves this, and he said he is going to get a whole lot of usage out of this guy. So he's super, super excited. All right, so that is everything for the second product. Let's go ahead and see what the third product is. And it says Pure Taste Stemless Tumbler. So that's got to be what is in here. It's from Corkle. And it's a 12-ounce, 9 hours cold, 3 hours hot, Pure Taste ceramic interior, easy grip sides, stainless steel. And it says ceramic interior for maximum enjoyment. Look inside. Look inside. that is cool. Like normally I see all silver inside of these, and this one has this new design. And there are some stickers. That is so cute. I love the little flamingo. So there's some stickers that is down inside. And then you have your lid that you slide back and forth. And it does look like it's shaped to where if you wanted to put a straw in there, you could. I like the different design, how it looks, you know, it's like flat right there and right there underneath that sticker as well. But yeah, it has a bottom right there to keep it from slipping and sliding. And yeah, so you have this stemless wine cup, and this is valued for $34.95. Sophisticated hydration meets innovation. The Pure Taste stemless tumbler features a ceramic coated interior that ensures your drink tastes just as intended. So that is awesome. So it's not just like your normal cup. If you have one, the interior is made to make your taste of whatever you're drinking be pure and natural with no aftertaste of like that stainless steel, whatever that's inside. Now that I have washed and dried it, I can put it away. But if you are like me, I cannot put anything in my cupboard unless I get rid of something. So since this has that new lining, I will gladly get rid of this one that has the silver inside and put my new coracle out here instead. So there is item number 3. So then the next one on this list says the Mason razor holder right here, valued for $9.99. This is where you can hang it. So that's what I was showing you, is like you can attach it to like your shower wall so you can hang your razor. The convenient silicone razor holder is a game changer for clutter-free grooming. 100% silicone with a ridged lip to secure most razors. It adheres effortlessly to any smooth surface, no tools, adhesives, or residue. All right, you guys, so there's one item left in here, and it is the Mini Scout binoculars. This is valued for $34.99. Tiny but mighty. These 7 by 18 millimeter binoculars by Carson are ultra portable, pocket sized for on-the-go adventures. They're designed to provide bright, clear images with excellent color. There's a center focus knob, and then you can have crystal clear viewing in any outdoor setting. Stay curious. You never know what's out there. You might want to bird watch, or you might see something in a tree and you want to know what it is, or you might want to look for anything. I mean, you can use binoculars for anything. So let's get these opened and see how small and mighty they are. There is a care instruction manual that's right here. And it comes in this little pouch, which even has this if you wanted to like attach it to something, like if your belt loop or something, and have it on your side. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you up close everything it comes with. There's a cleaning cloth. There is this that you can hang from that right there, just like so. You have an adjustment right here. They fold down a little. You can turn this, and you can turn the thing right here. So let's take these outside. I hear a plane. Let's see if we can see one. Oh, yep, there's an airplane. I can't really see it with my naked eye, but you can definitely see it with the binoculars. Let's see what else we can find. My man said that there's some critter in this neighbor's, yep, I see it moving. Do you see it? There is a little critter in the neighbor's palm tree. Looks like a baby raccoon. Well, it's not a baby, but it's definitely not a full size. But you can see it's definitely coming out. But yeah, this is how clear you can see it through the lens of my phone. This is how far away that I am. Oop, it came out a little bit more. Let's see what this guy's doing. Where are you at? Oh, over here. Look at just laying up there eating the berries from the palm tree. Living its best life. But yeah, that's just like I said, how it is through the lens of my phone through the binoculars. And look at him again. That's how far away I am. I do like that you do have the carrying case. It is really small. You can just stick it down in your pocket, take it with you. And yeah, so that is the binoculars. So now now that is everything that came in this fall box. And a quick recap, we have the binoculars in the case. You have this to attach to glass tile or mirrors to hold your razor. You have this newly designed wine or coffee mug or any type of a drinking glassware that you would like. You have the lightweight vacuum. And what I think my man is going to be super excited about is this blower butane apparatus thing right about here. Okay, you guys. So that is everything for this fall box. What do you guys think of all of the items? What do you think of the values of everything? What would be your favorite item in here? Would you use all of these items or just a few of them? Definitely let me know down below. I would love to hear from you. If you would like some more information about this box, I will let you know the pricing right about now. I do have my own code, which is SHE15, if you would like to save $15 off your first box. And for the pricing, like I said, there's two different options now. The light version, you get 1 to 3 items depending on the retail values of which one's going to be put in there, but 1 to 3 items with a value of $125 or higher. So if you wanted to do box per box, season per season, it is $89 for the light, and all of them you do have free US shipping. If you would like to save money and do the annual, get all 4 of them at once, it brings the box price down to only $79. Now, if you would like to do the plus box like they sent me, where you get all of these products, it's 4 to 8 items in each box, and it has a value of $250 or higher. And then for the full plus box, if you want to do season per season, it is $169. Or if you like to save money, you can bring the box price all the way down to $149.75 with a full annual plan. And again, both of these do include free US shipping. To let me know which one would you do. Would you do the light version? Would you do the full version? Definitely let me know down below. Again, I will have them linked in the description box so you can pop on over and see what they have to offer. If you would like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.